Hi, everyone. It's Lindsay Barlow here with a quick update for you regarding BrokerBay. They've recently released a few updates to the system that we wanted to bring to your attention. So one of the big changes that they've made is they've now given the agents the ability to set the default settings for their listings and offer notifications. So I'll take you right in so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So if you navigate to your the circle up in the top right corner and click on where your name is, click account settings, and then navigate to listing settings. This is where you'll find all of the options for you to change your default settings for your listings. So any changes that you make in this listing settings tab is going to change the settings for all of your listings. So this isn't just for one individual listing you have. It's for any listing you have right now and any listings you may have going forward. So what it's going to show you initially is the default settings that we have set at the brokerage level. And it will take you through and ask you if you want to change those default settings for your particular listings. So the first one deals with your feedback collection on your listings. So it's automatically selected to collect automated feedback on all of your listings and to notify you when feedback is collected. We have it so that the automatic email that gets sent to your sellers with that feedback, we have that setting turned off for now. So you could change that to turn it on for your individual listings if you'd like. We also have the expiry notification set so that it will email you when your listing is set to expire in 7 days. And then offer notification settings. So the company default, we have it set as auto notify all showing agents when an offer is registered on your listing, and to include the total number of registered offers in a showing confirmation. So if you would like to change those settings for your particular listing, that's where you're going to do this. So you could change it to notify just you, the listing agent, when an offer is registered. Just carrying on, it also goes through your showing configurations, so you can set it so that every one of your listings requires a certain minimum showing notice. Every one of your listings has a maximum showing duration. Do you want overlapping showings? Is the seller going to auto confirm? And what kind of showing instructions are going to be included for every one of your listings? So again, everything you're seeing here, what's set here is what is set as the default at the brokerage level for all of our listings. And if you go in and change this under your profile, then these changes will be applicable to any of your listings that you currently have and any that you are going to have going forward. As always, if you have any questions about this, you can reach out to the front desk staff or any one of the managers, and we'd be happy to provide you with any more guidance that you may need. Thanks very much for watching, everyone. Hope you have a great day.